Okay, so in the previous model, in the previous videos, what we did is we actually looked at inception model. What it does is it takes a bunch of images and then classifies them into different categories, like is it a tree, is it an animal, it's a food, vehicle, and all this other kind of stuff, right? But as you can see, there's not that many core models over here. So, and sometimes we probably want to add our own models, right? So in this video, we'll actually learn how to make our own models. So we'll start with Xcode. We'll start with a playground. We'll click blank, and we have to select Mac OS over here. So Mac OS blank, click next, and we will say that this is somewhere in our documents. And then let's create a new one called image, food image, food classifier. Food classifier. Okay, so we create this. Okay, so we'll maximize this, and instead of Coco, we will actually have create ML UI. Okay, and then we'll say let builder is equal to ML image classifier builder. And also when you come over here, like make sure that this drop down, one second, this drop down is manual run. Okay, so image classifier builder, and we'll say builder dot show in live view. Okay, once we do that, we will actually run this thing. So we'll run this. And ready to continue. We'll come back over here. Oh yeah, and we have to select this this thing over here. So once we do that, then what happens is the image classifier actually shows up over here. So what we have done is we just had a create ML UI, and we say that this is an image classifier builder, and we are showing it in live view. So image classifier comes up over here. We will actually call this, instead of image classifier, we'll say food classifier. Okay. We'll say food classifier. Now it is saying drop images for the training. Okay. So earlier, what happened is that if we go to google.com and we go to images, let's say we want to identify food images, right? So pizza, burger, and salad. These are the three different things. So I'll go to my downloads, and I have already created, and you guys have this in your link from the class. So I created two different folders: training images and testing images. Inside them, I have three different folders: salad, pizza, and burger. Salad, pizza, and burger. These names basically match. So these are the labels for this. So I will put a bunch of images in pizza, salad, as well as burger. So I put around 20 images each in all of this, and for testing I've put like 5 or 6 of them. So basically what you will do is you'll go over here and you'll say new folder, and you'll say training videos, training images, and after that you will come over here and add three different folders over there. Okay, and then what you will do is you will go to Google Images and say pizza. You get a pizza. We, let's say, have a new folder over here called pizza. So we will drag, we'll go inside the pizza folder, and we'll drag and drop. I don't know why it's not letting me drag and drop. Yeah, drag and drop the image over here, drag and drop this image over here, and stuff like that. So we'll download around like 20 images each. That's not that much for machine learning, but like this is built on top of on top of core machine learning. So it will do the job for us. So we come over here. Now it is saying drop the images to begin the training. So we have to first put the training images. So we come over here, we select this training images folder, Alt, drag and drop. This will add all our training images. Next, it is asking us to put the testing images. So we'll click over here, Alt, drag and drop, testing images. You can see that it has correctly predicted that this is salad, this is salad, this is salad, these are burgers. So it's actually doing a really good job, right? This is an easy one, but it's still doing a really good job. So we have this model and we have a food classifier. All we did is put images inside different folders, and for the testing as well as training, put them in there, and that's it. And now what we'll do is we will name this and we'll call this as food classifier model, and license is MIT. Version is 1.0. We'll write it in the documents folder and we'll click save. Once we do that, we see that users Ashish document food classifier.ml model is written over there. So how will we use this? So in our previous video, we actually went ahead and we had, so we'll close this one. We'll start a project. So a new project or an old project. Let's see. We will go to Xcode and we will see inception model test. So this is the one that we used. Okay. So over here, what was there is that we were using inception model 3.ml. Instead of that, we need to use our own model, which was saved over here. So food classifier.ml model. We'll press Alt, drag and drop this over here. So this gets dropped. I'll click on this. It says that it's not part of target. Sometimes that happens. When that happens, you just click on this. So now this food classifier automatically gets generated. And now everything seems very, very good. So we will go to our view controller, and instead of using inception v3, what we'll do is we'll come over here and we'll say let food classifier is equal to food classifier. Okay. And we will, where this thing was, we will say instead of inception, we'll say food classifier dot model. This should basically work and get our images good. So we come over here and we'll go to Google Images, and I need to unlock my phone. So my phone is unlocked. I'll go to Google Images and I'll search for, let's say, burger. Okay. I'll go down a little bit for something which I probably have not used. So I'll click over here, click on detect image, and use the camera and take a picture of this and say use photo. So as you can see, it has detected that this is a burger with 100% accuracy. Okay, so let's see if it can identify salad. We'll pick this one. And then we'll say detect image using a camera. Use the photo. And it said that this is salad. So this is working really, really well, considering that this is not going to the cloud and everything is actually run on the device. So this is how you can actually use your own machine learning model, and with just 2 lines of code, and just the images for that. Images. So now we have used the image for, we have used the machine learning model for the image. Next, what we want to do is we want to actually use it for the text. So we'll analyze what is written in the text. Okay, so that's in our next video.